Hello, kids! Welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Today we will learn about the festivals of India. We have national and religious festivals. Let's look at the national festivals. Independence Day. 15th of August each year is celebrated as the Independence Day to celebrate India's freedom. The Prime Minister unfurls the tricolour, the Indian national flag, at the Red Fort in the capital city, Delhi. India became an independent country on 15th of August 1947, and on this day every year we celebrate the struggle and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Republic Day. 26th January every year is celebrated as the Republic Day. On this day, in 1950, the constitution of our country came into effect. Colorful parade by the armed forces and school children are performed on this day. Indian flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung. Religious festivals of India: Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Gurpurab, Eid, Durga Puja, Ramnavami. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated with great joy in India. It is celebrated in the month of February or March. The night before Holi, people celebrate Holika Dahan, where a bonfire is lit. It reminds us of the victory of good over evil. The next day, everyone plays with colors, water balloons, and sings and dances together. Delicious sweets like gujia are enjoyed with family and friends. Holi teaches us friendship, unity, and spreading happiness all around. Ramnavami. It is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ram, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, who teaches us to be kind, brave, and truthful. On this day, people pray, sing bhajans, and remember his life of truth, kindness, and bravery. It teaches us to always follow the path of goodness. Eid. Eid is the festival of joy celebrated by Muslims all around the world. On this day, people wear new clothes, visit the mosque to offer prayers, and greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Families prepare delicious sweets like sevaiyan and share food with friends, neighbors, and those in need. Eid teaches us kindness, sharing, and togetherness. Raksha Bandhan. The Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love between brothers and sisters. It is a festival of love and protection. Sisters tie a rakhi on their brother's hand to pray for their safety, and brothers promise to take care of their sisters. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna, who loved butter and playing the flute. Krishna teaches us to spread love, joy, and playfulness. People celebrate with songs, dance, and by breaking the dahi handi pot filled with curd and butter. Durga Puja. It is celebrated to honor goddess Durga, who fought and defeated the demon Mahishasur. Goddess Durga represents strength, courage, and protection. The victory shows that good always wins over evil. Beautiful pandals are made as temporary homes to welcome and worship Goddess Durga during the festival. The Shehra. On this day, people burn Ravana's big statues to show that good always wins over evil. It is celebrated on 10th day of Navratri. In some regions, the Shehra is also known as Vijayadashmi. It reminds us to be kind, truthful, and brave like Ram. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and after defeating the demon king Ravana. People lit lamps, diyas, to welcome him, and since then, Diwali is known as the festival of lights. People decorate their house with flowers and rangoli to welcome goddess Lakshmi. On Diwali, people pray to the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Families come together, exchange gifts, share sweets, and spreads happiness. Diwali also marks the Hindu New Year in many regions of India, a time to start fresh with positivity. Guru Nanak Jayanti, also known as Guru Parab. Guru Parab is the birthday of Guru Nanak Ji, the first Sikh Guru. He taught us to believe in one God, share with others, and always speak the truth. On this day, Sikhs pray, sing hymns, and share food in langar where everyone eats together. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated each year on 25th of December to celebrate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate Christmas trees, exchange gifts, and sing carols. Santa Clauses bring gifts for children. Christmas teaches us to share love and spread happiness with everyone. Kids, each festival is different, but they all spread joy, love, and togetherness. Festival brings people of all cultures and religions closer, showing us the beauty of unity in.
We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.